I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable biometric login on Coinbase, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Coinbase app. Launch the Coinbase app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to access the settings menu. Step 3. Select security. Scroll down and select the security option from the settings menu. This is where you can manage your login methods. Step 4. Enable biometric login. Look for the biometric login toggle and switch it to the on position. This will allow you to log in using your fingerprint or facial recognition. Note, if you don't see the toggle, make sure your device supports biometric features. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Now you are all set to use biometric login on Coinbase. It makes accessing your account quicker and more secure. Enjoy the convenience.